all, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Tantodas. I'm from Bangladesh, and I am from district of Sylhet, but I belong to the village area. And I have just completed my graduation, and right now I am seeking my job. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am. And first of all, I'd like to mention one thing that I'm not good at English. So if I make mistakes, please you correct it. And I'm just beginner actually, ma'am.
Actually, no one is perfect in this world. Can you repeat again what is your city name?
Yeah, it is Sylhet city.
Your city.
Yeah, it's nearest Assam in India
Assam.
actually.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Now I understand. Okay. Now it's my turn. I am
Yeah.
Tanya Singh and I am connecting with you from Jaipur. I'm a homemaker. That's all about me.
Okay, thank you. So I saw your many of videos in YouTube when I search for learning methods, which is I follow in on YouTube, and in particular time, I suddenly I got your YouTube channel and videos. So it was just amazing for me, and it is very beneficial uh, tips which is you provide every videos.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Thanks for this compliment. Okay, so why you are nowadays very passionate for learning English?
Yeah, it's. I think it is an international language, and also is a job purpose. I have to learn English language, and also it is passionate. Yeah,
Mm. What kind of efforts you are doing for learning this language?
and actually, when I was a child, I want to be. I want to went to actually. Sorry, I can't explain that. I want to be a pilot, but now I realize that it was quite difficult for me. For this reason, I changed my decision. Right now, I'm trying to uh, become a teacher and as a part of it, and right now I'm teaching some of the student as a home tutor right now actually, but it is not my profession.
Mm-hmm. But I think teaching is a very noble profession.
Yes, man, and also it's a respectable profession for all over the world.
Mm-hmm. You are living in Assam, so tell me something about
No,
your state.
actually I'm not living in Assam. I told you that I'm from Bangladesh, but my city is nearest Assam in India actually.
Am I visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. You are not living in Assam.
No, Assam is Indian part of the state, but I am from Bangladesh and my city is Sylhet,
Okay.
which is
And
nearest Assam in India. Yeah.
okay. You belong from Bangladesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me something about your country.
Actually, ma'am, it would be quite difficult to explain it, but I'd say my country is belong a lot, many of people. I think it's a small village, small country than India, and that's the thing, and it's a very beautiful country in my point of view, and they have lots of have visiting place, and also that's his man.
Mm-hmm. How long have you been learning this language? Sincerely.
And I'm tried learning English from 6 months ago, but I recognize that when I try to talk with someone in particular time, I got everything. So
Mhm.
that's the thing actually, man. And
Nowadays,
definitely, yeah.
mhm.
And
I
definitely, I
there
want
are
to know from you that some of tips, which is would be benefit for me, and I am able to speak fluently.
yes. Nowadays there are so many apps on Play Store. Any app you are using for just for improving your skills in English speaking skills?
No, ma'am, I don't use, and also I have no any speaking partner actually. So I am trying to speak with myself, and I yeah. So that's the thing actually, and I'm from I belongs to village area, and over there it's difficult for me to get anyone for practical practicing. Yeah.
No, no, I am telling you like when you upload some app, sorry, download some apps like there is a app Chivi, Speakify. Okay, yes, they are giving I think 30 minutes every day, and you
Okay.
can connect your call. There are so many co-learners, but after 30 minutes they will automatically disconnect your call because after that you should take a subscription.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I think these are very good apps.
Okay, but I have no idea about this actually.
Today you should search on Play Store Speakify, or it is also called CV app, where you can find your partner, talking partner.
Okay, can I? It would
Mhm.
be a benefit. Can I use it from Bangladesh?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
you can use Pakistani, Bangladeshi, Indians, Nepalis, all are using.
okay, ma'am.
Yes, and second app like Ace Fluency, Open Talk. There's another app, Open Talk. In Open Talk, you can, unlimited you can call.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I will try it definitely, ma'am.
Hmm. Yes, these are very good apps for learning purpose
Okay,
because every day you can't find your talking partner. Sometimes it is very difficult.
okay.
Yes, and it is totally free of cost.
So, ma'am, if I ask you that, how do you spend your free time actually?
My free time,
Yeah.
whenever I get free time, I watch some. Nowadays, I'm watching some travel vlog.
Okay.
Otherwise, I'm a movie freak person. Whenever I get time, mostly I watch some movies, good movies. Yes.
Okay. I have another question that which type of movies do you like most? And if I no mistake, Indian have several types of movies like South Indian, Bollywoods, and Bhojpuri, Punjabi, and lots of. So, which type of movies do you like actually?
Punjabi movie and
Okay,
Bollywood movies. Sometimes South Indian movies I also love to watch, and some English movies.
okay, that's good.
Yes.
But
Nowadays,
yeah, Bangladeshi, all of people love to watch Indian movies, and basically, if I no mistakes, they love to South Indian movies, and basically, and also I am big fan of South Indian.
yes, some movies are very good. But sometimes there are so many movies nowadays you can find on OTT. So you can select which you
Yes, yes.
like.
But
Yes.
I don't understand South Indian language actually, and I always follow their subtitle, and also when they dub in Hindi in this particular time, I love to watch.
Yes. But I think you should also watch some English movies.
Okay,
Yes. In the beginning, yes, sometimes you feel bored, but after some time you really enjoy.
okay, but I have no idea. English movies actually, I am not interested because their culture is not belongs of Indian or Bangladeshi. So for this reason, actually.
It's okay. You can also try like some audio calls where you can, talk with your co-learners and you can exchange your, there are so many good things in your culture also.
Okay.
So you can tell these things.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Like you had told me, you are right now doing teaching job. Okay.
Okay.
So in your class, every type of students are studying, like some are average, some are very good, who are
Okay.
like average student. Then how you deal these kind of students?
Yeah, actually, they are all primary students, so they are kids. So I really enjoy spending time with them, and also I love to teaching English. Basically, it's I think it is very beneficial for me. I also can practice with them, and for this reason, and they are almost good. It's quite difficult for me to actually select one or two, but they are good at in their particular uh, time. And if I say there are lots of actually, it's quite difficult to select anyone. Yeah.
Do you think teaching like these children are very young children, very little kids?
Yes.
It is
Yes.
very
Yes.
easy, or do you think like some like fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth standard students, if you are teaching, you can teach easily them?
Yes. Yes. But you know. Children teaching in children are quite difficult because every teacher they have to behave like kids, so it's they quite difficult to understand every topics, and
Mm.
that's the thing, and it would be quite suffer for anyone, I think. So but it's feelings good actually.
These children are very, small children. Sometimes they are doing some, they are some naughty students also.
Yes, yes,
Then
yeah,
how you
yeah.
deal with these kind of naughty children?
Yeah, but I really enjoy this. Okay.
I think teachers should be like a jolly nature,
Yeah.
and they should enjoy their work also. If they are not enjoying, and they're, sometimes some teachers are very you can say irritating teachers. They don't like these kind of activity. So children don't like these kind of teachers. They always love those kind of teacher who, sometimes they show some love, some good things. That time they really like these kind of teachers.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Yes.
ma'am, which language do you use? I think that India are a very big country, and they speak their own language, and there have lots of language in India.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
which language do you use for your, and which is your native language actually, ma'am?
My native language is Hindi.
Okay,
Hindi.
okay.
Hindi.
Yes, all of Bangladeshi people understand Hindi very well,
But
and also,
so
yeah,
Hindi is not spoken in India because there are so many communities living here. That's why some
okay,
other words also mix in Hindi,
yeah,
like
okay,
Some Urdu words also in Hindi.
yes,
And like you are living in, like I am living in Rajasthan, so there is a local language also. Some words are also mixed in the Hindi, so it's not a
okay.
pure Hindi. Yes.
And all of Bangladeshi understand Hindi because they always watch Indian serial and Indian movies, and which is I told you before. And also, kids know Hindi language. They understand very well because they always watch Hindi cartoon, and they are a
Hmm.
big fan of this cartoon for this reason, and they learn it easily.
Hmm. Recently, which Bollywood movie you have watched?
And I watch actually. Shah Rukh Khan's, I mean, Jawan recently, and also,
Mm-hmm.
but I am not big fan of Bollywood because I guess Bollywood industry always remake from South Indian. So I like to in South Indian movies actually. And my next, I'm still waiting for Pushpa 2 for
Pushpa
Alwar.
2.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Pushpa 1 was a very good movie. I have seen. And there are so many good movies also in the South cinema.
Yeah. But one problem is very in from my point of that I I don't understand their language actually.
Hmm.
And
But
when they
we, I
remake, yeah,
I also can't understand their language, but we can understand by the subtitle. In the
Yes.
movie, there are subtitle also available, so we can read and we can understand. Yes.
Yeah.
And who is your favorite Bollywood actor?
Three Khans. I mean Shah Rukh, Salman, and Amir Khan. And one Amir Khan is one of the my best actor, I think, and he's very talented.
Yes. You know, his film is something you can say very different kind of movie.
Yes.
Yes.
And if I no mistake, that most of the people love for them it. I think,
Mm-hmm.
and its
And
personality is very good. I think that.
yes, he had made so many good movies.
Yes, I think that, and also they are very stylish, and he dance is very attractive.
Allu Arjun, I think from that
South
movie,
Indians.
K3G, I think K3G. Sometimes I forget the name because there are so many South Indian actors like Prabhas, Allu Arjun, and
Ramcharan, Vijay.
Allu Arjun, I think in Pushpa movie. Am I
Yeah.
right?
Yes. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Sometimes I forget the name of the actors.
Yeah.
Yes.
There are lots of actually stars in South India, and also another uh, thing that which is attract me because South Indian stars always belongs their simplicity. Actually, they always
Yes.
stay simple and humble also. And when I saw that any kinds of particular actually what I say and marriage ceremonies, they always follow simple dress up, which is very
Mhm. I think you feel heart to heart connection from these celebrities.
yeah.
Okay. And in Bollywood, you never find this kind of simplicity.
No, actually, for this reason, and after three Khans, I think that any Bollywood stars never be like Shah Rukh, Salman, and Amir Khan. Actually,
Yes, it is true. South Indian actors or actresses, mostly I have seen they are living simple life
yes, ma'am.
and they are very cultured also.
Yes, and they always focus their own culture, and Bollywoods
Yes,
always follow actually what I say actually European culture. Always follow.
yes, you are right.